Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to know more about technology related videos, then feel free to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons so that you will get all latest videos when I upload any technology related videos and tips and tricks. So if you want a free number by using a software for USA and Canada, you need a software and it's totally free. You don't need to pay any money. So if you want, then go to Play Store or App Store, which one in your phone, then go search and search second line. So you will get the second line US phone number. So you need to install these apps. So in my phone it's already installed, so I just open the apps. So when you open the apps, the interface is like that. So you need to sign up. So I have to sign up. So you can give any of your email. It was like that. Anyone. You can use any fake email. And you need a password. So I'll give a password and you sign in. So see over in there, we set up to online to send receive a message. So you can set up. So I just do not now and escape that. So you can use your own location number, or you can't use your location number. It's depend upon you totally. So I just use a number. So everything is okay. Yeah, I got a number and just continue. Boom. See? There is my number. I can use this number anywhere. Also, I can call and text anybody by using this software. My number is 693-395-5251. This is my own number. So you can share this number with your friends and family. So if you like these videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to know more about anything, you can email me. I'll give you my email address. You can email me over in there. So hope you guys are well. Goodbye, thank you, and have a good day.